Now we'll make the meringue. I'm going to beat these eggs up.
Eat them up.
Start putting in the sugar just a little bit at a time. Like that. Then we're going to put in a half a teaspoon of vanilla. This is very little. I'll never do this. You don't want to get too much in it. You're going to put it on the pie. That's to be cooked real stiff. Well, we'll go see if it's stiff enough. Oh, I think that's lovely. Okay.
Lovely.
Now we're going to take this out and we're going to put it close to the pie. And you're going to take this spoon and spoon it on there with spoonfuls, okay? All around it. I'm going to take this off.
So good.
Put this all back in the bowl.
If you're a kid doing this, make sure parents' permission.
Alright. Okay, put some more on. You just have to keep taking spoonsful and throwing them on. Don't do that. Like this, look.
How can you do that?
Can you do that?
Yeah.
Don't bang it into the pie though, alright?
Oh, this is a big one.
Oh yeah, don't think much big. Okay, now let me smooth that out.
Can I smooth that out?
Yeah, you can use the back of the spoon and just rub it.
Ooh.
Like this, see? You want to move it all around the pie, but not out over the edge, alright?
Yeah.
And make it touch the edges of the pie crust. There you go. Do some more. Want some help? Alright, let me see a minute. So now right up against that like that. To seal it in so when we cook the pie, the filling won't get all lost.
I just want to eat the whole bowl.
You can't eat that stuff, it's not cooked yet.
The bowl?
Yeah, the bowl's not cooked yet.
It smells so good, so it looks so good in it, and I think it's ready. I think the fluff's ready. I think this bit's ready, you guys, so I can eat. Doesn't it look good? Don't you want to eat it right now? I could show you it.
That's it.
So, what do we do now, Grump?
We put it in the oven
Yeah.
and let it cook.
Look how
All
yummy
heated up.
it is.
Okay, let me do it because it's kind of heavy.
Look, the sugar. Should I take a little bit of the sugar? That would be good. Hey, Grumpy, can I have a little bit of the sugar? Grumpy?
Just a minute.
It will take a little bit. But you're still on video, so you can see us. Comments down below if you have made it before. Down below. Bye.